When it comes to electrical wiring, understanding the different wire gauges is essential for ensuring safety, efficiency, and the success of your projects. One of the most commonly used wire gauges is 12GA gauge wire. This blog will explore the characteristics, applications, and advantages of 12GA wire, helping you make informed decisions for your electrical needs. What is 12GA wire? 12GA wire, also known as 12-gauge wire, refers to a wire with a diameter of approximately 2.05 mm (0.0808 inches). The gauge number inversely indicates the thickness of the wire, meaning the lower the number, the thicker the wire. A 12GA wire is thinner than 10GA but thicker than 14GA, making it a versatile option for various applications. Typically, 12GA wire is made from copper or copper-clad aluminum, CCA. Copper is renowned for its excellent electrical conductivity and durability, making it a popular choice for many applications. On the other hand, CCA offers a cost-effective alternative while still providing sufficient conductivity for most uses. 12GA wire is available in both solid and stranded forms, with stranded wire being more flexible and easier to route through tight spaces. Common applications of 12GA wire. 12GA wire is highly versatile and is used in a variety of electrical projects. Here are some of the most common applications. Residential wiring. In residential settings, 12GA wire is commonly used for general-purpose circuits, including lighting fixtures and outlets. It is suitable for 20-amp circuits, which are standard in many homes for powering kitchen appliances, laundry rooms, and bathroom outlets. The wire's thickness allows it to handle the electrical load without significant risk of overheating. Lighting circuits. 12GA wire is often used in wiring for both indoor and outdoor lighting circuits. Its ability to carry adequate current makes it ideal for connecting multiple light fixtures on the same circuit. Whether you're installing recessed lighting in your living room or outdoor landscape lighting, 12GA wire offers the necessary capacity to ensure reliable performance. Powering small appliances. Many small appliances, such as microwaves, toasters, and air fryers, require circuits that can handle up to 20 amps. 12GA wire is perfectly suited for these applications, providing a safe and efficient way to power your kitchen gadgets without worrying about overloading the circuit. Automotive wiring. In automotive applications, 12GA wire is often used for connecting accessories such as car stereos, alarms, and additional lighting. The wire's flexibility and current carrying capacity make it an excellent choice for powering these components, ensuring that they function properly without significant voltage drop. Solar power systems. In solar installations, 12GA wire is used to connect solar panels to inverters and battery banks. Its moderate thickness allows it to carry the necessary current while minimizing energy loss, making it a reliable choice for small to medium-sized solar systems. Low-voltage applications. 12GA wire is also commonly used in low-voltage applications, such as doorbell systems, thermostats, and landscape lighting. Its durability and adequate current capacity ensure that these systems operate smoothly and efficiently. Why choose 12GA wire? Selecting the appropriate wire gauge is critical for the safety and functionality of your electrical systems. Here are some reasons why 12GA wire is often the preferred choice. Adequate current capacity. 12GA wire can handle up to 20 amps of current, making it suitable for a wide range of household circuits. Its ability to carry sufficient current reduces the risk of overheating and potential electrical fires. Versatility. The versatility of 12GA wire allows it to be used in various applications, from residential wiring to automotive and solar power systems. This makes it a go-to choice for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Flexibility. Stranded 12GA wire is flexible and easy to work with, especially in projects where the wire needs to be routed through tight or curved spaces. This flexibility simplifies installation and reduces the risk of damage during the process. Durability. Whether made from copper or CCA, 12GA wire is robust and durable, capable of withstanding regular wear and tear. This makes it a reliable option for both indoor and outdoor installations. Cost-effective. While copper wire is generally more expensive, 12GA CCA wire offers a more affordable alternative without compromising performance. This balance of cost and quality makes it a popular choice for many electrical projects. Conclusion. 12GA wire is a versatile and essential component in many electrical systems, offering the right balance between current carrying capacity, flexibility, and durability. Whether you're wiring a home, installing lighting, powering small appliances, or setting up a solar power system, 12GA wire provides the reliability and performance you need to ensure your project's success. With options available in both solid and stranded forms, and made from copper or CCA, 12GA wire is a valuable asset in any electrician's toolkit.